Alright guys, so today is to fix the shocks that hold this hood open because it does not work. I already ordered some. They already came in the mail. They were cheap. They're like 20 bucks from eBay, but they're really good. So I'm going to show you the process of fixing all of that. Let's go. So this thing needs to be pushed up and then held up by itself. So that's what we're replacing, those struts on each side. Alright, this is going to be a 12 millimeter socket, and just loosen that up. And for the top, you're going to need a 12 millimeter wrench as well, and you're going to loosen that up as well. And you can tell which side is which by the markings here. You see left, it's going to go on this side, driver left, so that'll go here. All right, we're just going to hand tighten this, and before you completely tie it down, we're going to put this one in its place so it's not too hard to move around, and we could actually pull this out, okay?
So we're actually going to do it reverse because it's harder to push upward on the shock than downward. So we're going to tighten it here, and then we're going to push down on the shock to make it a little bit easier to fit here.
You'll probably need two people for this. I want to grab it from one corner to give it more leverage on one side and fit it in. And once it's fit in, it'll be pretty easily bolted on. There you go. And as it looks like I might have only needed one side that was weak, but I think I'm going to replace the other one while I'm at it, just in case this one also goes out. I don't want to hit my head when I'm working on it. So we're going to do the same thing. Unscrew that, then unscrew this up here, and then replace it with that one first and then that one. And that was it, guys. All done. Super easy install. It's working good, and these shocks are strong. Let me know if you liked the video. That's it.